Have you ever considered how imagining loss can amplify your appreciation for what you have? It's a profound concept that can transform the way we perceive our lives. This might seem counterintuitive, yet it lies at the heart of a powerful Stoic practice known as negative visualization. This ancient technique has been practiced for centuries by those seeking wisdom and inner peace. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy emphasizing virtue and resilience, offers valuable tools for navigating life's challenges. It teaches us to remain steadfast and composed, no matter what life throws our way. Negative visualization is one such tool. It is a mental exercise that encourages us to imagine the loss of things we cherish. It encourages us to confront the impermanence of life, not to dwell in negativity, but to cultivate a deeper appreciation for the present moment. By doing so, we learn to value the transient beauty of our experiences. By vividly imagining the potential loss of what we hold dear, we awaken to its true value. This realization can be a powerful motivator to cherish our relationships and possessions more deeply. This practice helps us shift our focus from what we lack to what we possess, fostering a sense of gratitude that permeates our daily lives. It transforms our mindset, allowing us to see abundance where we once saw scarcity. In a world often consumed by the pursuit of more, negative visualization invites us to find contentment and joy in what already is. It reminds us that true happiness lies not in acquiring more, but in appreciating what we already have. The Stoics, who emerged in ancient Greece, understood the profound power of the mind to shape our experience of the world around us. They believed that our thoughts and perceptions could influence our reality. Figures like Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius championed the practice of negative visualization, a technique that involves imagining the loss of things we value to appreciate them more deeply. Seneca, a Roman philosopher and statesman, wrote extensively about the importance of contemplating loss and the transient nature of life. His writings encourage us to reflect on the impermanence of our possessions and relationships. He believed that by meditating on the impermanence of possessions, relationships, and even life itself, we could lessen their power to cause us pain and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Epictetus, a former slave-turned-Stoic philosopher, taught that our thoughts, not external events, determine our happiness. He emphasized that true freedom comes from within. He emphasized the importance of focusing on what we can control, including our reactions to life's inevitable challenges. By mastering our responses, we can maintain tranquility even in adversity. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, famously reminded himself in his personal writings, known as Meditations, to keep in mind how fast things pass by. His reflections offer wisdom on the transient nature of existence. His words serve as a timeless reminder of the fleeting nature of life and the importance of savoring each moment. By embracing this perspective, we can find greater meaning and fulfillment in our daily lives. Negative visualization is not about dwelling in fear or negativity. Instead, it's a practical exercise in gratitude. Here's how you can practice it. First, choose an aspect of your life that you cherish. It could be your health, a loved one, a possession, or even a simple pleasure like a warm cup of coffee on a cold morning. Second, close your eyes and vividly imagine the absence of this thing. Picture your life without it. Engage your senses and emotions fully in this visualization. Third, after holding this image in your mind for a few moments, gently return your attention to the present moment. Take a deep breath and let the realization wash over you that you still have this precious thing in your life. Allow gratitude to fill your heart, to fill your... Section 4. Building resilience through imagined adversity. The benefits of negative visualization extend beyond increased gratitude. By confronting potential adversity in our minds, we build resilience and emotional strength. When we regularly contemplate the possibility of loss or setbacks, we are less likely to be blindsided by them when they occur. This practice helps us develop a more balanced perspective, understanding that both good and bad times are transient. Instead of being consumed by fear or anxiety about the future, we can face challenges with greater courage and composure, knowing that we have already mentally prepared ourselves for their arrival. This Stoic practice equips us to navigate the inevitable ups and downs of life with greater grace and fortitude. Section 5. Finding joy in everyday moments. Negative visualization is not just about preparing for difficult times, it's also about enhancing our appreciation for the good times. By imagining the absence of everyday pleasures, we awaken to their preciousness. Imagine for a moment that you could no longer enjoy the taste of your favorite food, the warmth of the sun on your skin, or the sound of laughter shared with loved ones. By contemplating these losses, we cultivate a deeper appreciation for the simple joys that enrich our lives. We begin to savor each bite of food, revel in the warmth of the sun, and cherish the moments of connection with those we love. Negative visualization helps us shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a sense of contentment and joy in the present moment. Section 6. Overcoming the fear of negativity. A common concern about negative visualization is that it might lead to increased anxiety or negativity. However, when practiced correctly, the opposite is true. The goal is not to dwell in fear or worry, but to use the power of imagination to cultivate gratitude and resilience. It's about acknowledging the impermanence of life, not to make us fearful, but to inspire us to live more fully in the present moment. The key is to approach this practice with a mindset of acceptance and appreciation. We are not trying to manifest negative outcomes. We are simply acknowledging their possibility so that we can more fully appreciate the good things in our lives while they last. Remember, the goal is to emerge from this practice feeling more grateful, not more anxious. Section 7. A daily practice for a fuller life. Negative visualization is not a one-time exercise, but an ongoing practice that can transform our lives. It's a powerful tool that helps us to mentally prepare for life's inevitable challenges and setbacks. By incorporating it into our daily routines, we can cultivate a deeper sense of gratitude, resilience, and appreciation for the present moment. Start small and gradually build up your practice. Choose one thing each day to practice negative visualization with. It could be something as simple as your morning coffee or a cherished phone call with a friend. It could be your morning coffee, a phone call with a friend, or even the comfortable bed you sleep in. Reflect on how your life would be without these small joys. As you become more comfortable with the practice, you can gradually expand it to encompass other areas of your life. This might include your health, relationships, or even your material possessions. You might choose to reflect on the potential loss of your health, your relationships, or even your material possessions. This reflection can deepen your appreciation for what you have. The key is to approach this practice with a spirit of open-mindedness and a willingness to embrace the full spectrum of human experience, both the good and the bad. By doing so, you can lead a fuller, more meaningful life.